Hello everyone, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal and Salam Alaikum. Welcome back to Sekhar's Lab. So, this is your go-to space where we explore real online passive income ideas, share tips and have a little fun along the way. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Let's dive right in. So, guys, actually today I'm going to share my top strategies for getting started with Shopify dropshipping. As you can see, we are going to use SellVia and Cjdropshipping. Okay, these are dropshipping provider, and we can use that plugin they will provide. I'm just already have installed. You can see that. So with Shopify dropshipping, you can start seeing profits in no time. There are lots of Shopify dropshipping provider, like I told you, SellVia, Cjdropshipping, Oberlo, Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, Taobao, API Drop. So we are going to use SellVia and Cjdropshipping in this video, and so you can see already I have installed this plugin to dropship products to our own store. Okay, so I will guide you step by step how to do that. But before, guys, I would like to tell you that this is my online store, and you can set up your uh, guys, if you don't know how to set up a Shopify store, how to customize a Shopify store, then I can help you. I will upload a new video for the Shopify management, how to manage Shopify store and how to set up everything, so I will guide you in next video. So in this video I would like to tell you only Shopify dropshipping, how to earn money online through Shopify dropshipping. And we have a question to ask you, that if you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck and wanting to break free from the 9 to 5 grind, making money online with Shopify dropshipping is a proven way to achieve financial freedom. Okay, and I'm going to describe in this video, and also we will show you how to get started with Shopify dropshipping and start generating passive income online. All right, so you will learn the secrets to finding profitable products, setting up a successful online store. I will upload in next video, but in this video I will just show you how to earn money through dropshipping. Okay, and also I will guide you how to do marketing. So marketing your brand to attract customers. Okay, whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, this video will provide you with actionable tips and strategies to help you succeed in the world of Shopify dropshipping. Okay, so what are you wanting for? Watch this video now and start making money online with Shopify dropshipping today. Okay, make money online with Shopify dropshipping. It's a concept that's been gaining massive popularity lately, and for good reason. It's a highly profitable way to earn a living online. No need to maintain a warehouse. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And also I have seen so many people struggle to find reliable suppliers, and it's a big reason why they give up on their dropshipping dreams. But guys, don't worry about that. I will guide you, and you can succeed. But the truth is there are plenty of great suppliers out there. You just need to know where to look and how to vet them properly. Okay, so let's dive in and explore exactly how to set up a Shopify store, choose profitable products and implement effective marketing strategies. Okay, the first step is to set up your Shopify store. I will upload in next video, and this is actually a lot easier than you might think. You can get started with a free trial and also upgrade to a paid plan as your store grows. Okay, so let's start that. Okay, let me show you a quick overview of Shopify dashboard, Shopify backend. Okay, so I will just show you a quick overview. So this is your Shopify dashboard home page, and this is your orders page. You can see, once you will get any order, so you can see orders here, from order space, products, all the products are here, you can see that, and you can add it and update as well. Collections, you need to add collections, you can add it and update collections here. Inventory management is here, you can see that, and you can manage yourself. Purchase orders, transfers, gift cards, catalogs. So these are the options. I will explore everything in next video, but this is a quick overview. Okay, customers, you can see a list of customers here. This is a content page, content section, where we can add meta objects, we can add blog posts, we can manage menus, and this is a files page where we can upload images, files, and all the images are being uploaded here. Okay, we have finance section, analytics, where you can see all total sales by channel and everything. Marketing tools, where we can add campaigns, we can run campaigns, automations, discount, we can create discount here, online sales, online store. Yes, this is very important section where we can customize complete store. Okay, through customize. Blog post, we can add blog here, and navigation, all the menu, create menu, and you can manage everything here. So it is being redirected to menu. Okay, so don't be confused. So this is a navigation page, and preferences, shop, inbox, these are plugin features, and the main section is settings. Okay, all the user details are here, you can see that. So everything I will explore in next video, so this is a quick overview only. Okay, now go to Cjdropshipping, apps and sales channels, Cjdropshipping, open app. So it is taking time, but meanwhile let me show you. Already it's this is a home page of Cjdropshipping, and guys, we must have an account with Cjdropshipping to dropship products. Okay, so sign up with Cjdropshipping, and after that you can import products. Okay, this is a home page of AliExpress. You can say Cjdropshipping, but they sell product of AliExpress. Okay, and there are no any membership plan, you can import products free of cost. All right, so let's do that. Guys, already I had imported one product to this store. I will show you. Close that. Products. So once you will import any products, you can see from product section. Okay, so you can see I had imported one product from AliExpress. You can say Cjdropshipping. All right, so let me show you again how to import products from Cjdropshipping to our store. Okay, So you must have an account with AliExpress, or you can say Cjdropshipping, because we are using Cjdropshipping plugin. So you must have an account. You can sign up free of cost, and you can import products to your store. All right. So choose any product. Suppose that women's clothing, outerwear, jackets, and blazers. Just let's import this product. Anyway. Choose any products like this one. Click on list. And guys, one most important thing is, when it comes to choosing profitable products, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, you want to choose products that have high demand and low competition. Okay, like I'm choosing the products, but choose wisely. Okay, so you can use tools like Google Trends and Amazon bestsellers to find these products. Next, you want to choose products that have a high profit margin, so you can make a good profit on each sale. Okay, so choose wisely. So product tab, you can type anything. It's a clothing product, so we can add clothing. Vendor is AliExpress, so we can select AliExpress. Collection, these are collections from your store. Okay, you can select your collections. Tags, you can add your tags for the product, like okay. And charge tax, you can select if you charge. Now click on list it now. Store price, so guys, move to variant pricing, and this is the most important part, your price. So you should you can select recommended listing price, otherwise you can enter your price for the selling. So right now I'm going to use recommended listing price. Okay, click on that. So this is a listing price for our store, and this is a shipping from and shipping method. You can choose any one, but CJ packet ordinary, it will cost you very low shipping cost. If you choose DHL official, then it will charge you extra. Okay, and estimated delivery time is 3 to 7 days. Let's choose CJ packet ordinary, so it will cost me $6 to 30 cent, 0.38 cent and 6.73 cent between, and estimated delivery time is 7 to 12 days. Okay, tracking information is available, tracking. And now we can list. Also we have all the options like images and videos, you can edit. Description, you can edit. Okay, now list it now. Listing in progress. So listed successfully. So now let's go back to your store. Let me show you. So here we go, we have products, we can see that. So yeah, this is a Shopify issue, we can fix that, because you need to set up Shopify, how you want to show your products, in which layout. Okay, so to summarize, um, starting a dropshipping business with Shopify is a highly profitable way to earn money online. Okay, you just need to be willing to put in the effort to find reliable suppliers. You can find top selling products also, and optimize your store and market your products effectively. Okay, remember, it's not a get rich quick scheme, but with dedication you can achieve amazing results. So finally guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on Shopify dropshipping, and check out my next video on advanced dropshipping with SellVia. Thank you so much again. Thank you.